Ever thought about why some businesses do really well and others just fail? You might think it's just down to luck or some sort of magic ingredient, but it's actually much simpler than that. It's all having a business plan. A business plan is not just a bunch of papers. It's a plan for the future that tells a business where to go and how to avoid problems along the way. Spending time making a good business plan and keeping it current is time well spent and can really pay off in the end. So how do you make a good business plan? Here's an easy guide. First, start with a summary of your concept. This gives you an overview of what your business is all about. Next, describe your company. This is where you go into detail about your business. Explain the type of business you're in, the products or services you offer, and how you're unique from your competition. The third step is to conduct a thorough market analysis. Knowledge of your industry, your target market, and the potential for your product or service to meet their needs is crucial. Research your competitors and explain how your business will differentiate itself. Now, it's time to detail your organization and management structure. Who will run the company? What is their experience? What roles will they play? This section should also outline the legal structure of your business. The fifth step is to describe your service or product line. What do you sell? How does it benefit your customers? What is the product life cycle? Get detailed in this section to really sell your vision. Next, it's time to dive into your marketing and sales strategy. How will you attract and retain customers? How will you scale your business? This section should be exciting and full of potential. And finally, request funding if needed. Decide about raising finance as debt or as equity. If you're seeking financiers or investors, this is where you'll outline your funding requirements. Your goal is to clearly explain how much funding you'll need over the next 5 years and what you'll use it for. Now sum it all up in an executive summary. This is a high-level overview of your business and your plans. It should provide a quick, concise, and optimistic synopsis of your business that captures the reader's attention and gives them an interest in learning more about it. Now, why is all this important? A business plan is a strategic map that helps you see where your business is going, how it's going to get there, and what it's going to take to make it happen. It's a tool for understanding how your business is put together and for monitoring your business's health. In essence, a business plan is a mirror that reflects your business's potential and a crystal ball that predicts its future growth. It's your passport to business success. Remember, it's not about the plan itself, but the planning. The journey of creating your business plan is what will give you a deep understanding of your business and your market. So gear up and embark on the journey of creating a compelling business plan. You'll be surprised at how clear the path to success becomes when you start planning.